Hey folks, Adam here, and today we're looking at this. It is a 15-pound workout ball from Amazon Basics. There's a lot of different workouts that you can do with this. Now imagine, obviously just for example, this is more of a sit-up motion. I'll move a little bit more in the camera frame for you. It's a great sit-up ball. Also twisting. But there's so much more that you can do with it. One that's very common is just a straight thrust down. And this thing is great for that as well. Also range of motion, stretching out your back. This is a great activity ball. Now you can see this one weighs 15 pounds. It does have a little bit of texture so you can grab onto it and grip it accordingly. And it is a great ball for workouts. So you're gonna wanna order this from Amazon. It comes with Amazon Prime, which means free shipping, free returns, and your A to Z guarantee. Order today, you absolutely will not be disappointed.